lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, lolly,
I have some yummy goodies to share with you guys this week. Come see what I created. Hi YouTube, this is Betty and welcome back to my channel. I am here to share with you guys some sweet treat embellishments I created for my sweet treat kits that I'm going to put together. This series is all about what the name implies. I'm just creating things or projects centered around sweet treats, and I'm just taking you on the journey with me because I will be putting together a sweet treats kit for you guys. I will have 5 kits available for purchase, and I will come on and do the reveal of the kit on next Sunday, which is November the 7th. So make sure you guys tune in to see the final reveal. And if you like the kit, you may want to purchase one of my kits. And I will have more information about that on November the 7th. I also have a tutorial at the end of this video. I had a subscriber ask me about the cotton candy paper clips. And so I put together a tutorial on how to do those. So if you're interested in that, make sure you stay until the end and check out that tutorial. If you like my content, just take that little index finger and hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to become a part of my crafty family. Also, like this video if you like the content. You can also share if you like, and hit that bell to be notified when I upload a new video. I'm also on Instagram, so I will leave a link below if you want to join me over there as well. So let's just get started, and let me share with you guys some of the products I use to create my embellishments. So I'm just showing you guys this die because this is the die that I use to put together the cotton candy paper clips. So in case you're interested, this is the die that I used. And then I use this die right here of the chocolate bar with a bite in it. I actually picked up this die from AliExpress. And then lastly, I used the die from Echo Park. This is the donut die. And I use the Sentiment Sweet as well. So let me bring my little tray here and share with you guys what I put together. So first off, I created the donuts. You can see here, I put sprinkles on these. I use foam to actually cut it out. So I'm really enjoying foam, you guys, when I cut out my embellishments. So they turned out super cute. I added some sprinkles, and I also used, I believe I used the triple thick. This right here. I used this on top. And this helps the sprinkles stay on so they won't be falling off. And I like how it turned out. Really, really cute. This is what the back looks like. I always like to share the back because people like to want to know what the back looks like. So this is my first little donut with the sprinkles. And basically they're all the same. And I just love how they turned out. They're so cute. These embellishments can be popped on any project to bring that sweet treats feel together for your project. Already done for you. All the hard work is already done. And then I did these donuts, the strawberry donuts with the chocolate topping or frosting. And I think I used the triple thick on that too. See how pretty that is? And you guys, I've been working with foam because foam is more durable. And I really, really like how foam cuts out and working with it. Since I'm doing these for kids, I wanted to make sure they're very durable, for you guys. And here's the back. But yeah, that's how these turned out. The chocolate covered donuts. You gotta have donuts for sweet treats, right? All right, so those are the donuts. And now for the chocolate bar. This is what I came up with for the chocolate bar with the bite out of it. I also used chocolate foam for the chocolate bar, and I used the triple thick that I just showed you, and I used some aluminum foil to represent the wrapper, and then I cut out the word sweet and put it on top. Really cute, you guys. I've created these before, and instead of using cardstock, I decided to just go with the wrapper. This is what the bag looks like. I also crimped the bottom of the wrapper, and I used my bag sealer. It's a little tool. I don't have it here with me. Well, hold on. Let me get it so I can share it with you. I use this tool right here to give that crimp look. This is a bag sealer. So I pulled that out. That was actually my first time using that. So I was super excited to use it. But I think these turned out so yummy. And I cut it out twice, and I used pop dots in between to give it some dimension. That's what that one looked like. This is what it looks like on the back. And like I said, this can be added onto a project to bring that sweet treats feel together. So I have 5 of those. So cute. I love it. And these are some extra cutouts I had of the word sweet. I may just include those in the kit as well. So that is my share for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed that. Now stay tuned for the tutorial, guys, and make sure you come back to visit me on November the 7th. I'm so excited. I'll have the kit reveal. It will also be a surprise to me because I have no idea how it's going to turn out once I put everything together. So make sure you stay tuned for that. I will upload on Sunday. I don't have a time, so you'll just have to stay tuned and just check my channel, for that video on November the 7th. Until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion. Bye. First, you'll need your supplies, your dye, your paper or foam, your chunky glitter or tiny sequins, triple thick, or you can use glossy accents, a brush. I like to use crystal clear glue sticks. Don't forget your finger protector. And here's my die cut. Scratch paper to catch your chunky glitter. And just apply your hot glue around your die cut. And then apply your chunky glitter. I like to push my glitter down into the hot glue. Turn your die cut over and remove the excess glitter. This is what it should look like. And basically, you're going to just repeat those steps until you get your die cut covered in chunky glitter. This is what I have so far. Next, you're going to apply your triple thick. You can order this triple thick on Amazon or any craft supply store. I usually use glossy accents, but I decided to switch it up. I had this triple thick in my stash, and so I decided to use it. I just have a paper towel there for any spills. And this is what it looks like. You'll wait 24 hours and come back. So this is the next day, and this is what it looks like when the triple thick has dried. Now I'm going to put together the cotton candy. I'm going to put it right there where the little notch is. That's where I'm going to glue the two pieces together. And this is what it looks like. Now I have an extra piece to go on the back to cover it up so it can look pretty. And that's what I'm doing here. Next, we're going to adhere the cotton candy onto the paper clip. I picked these paper clips up from Etsy. I'll leave a link below if you're interested. I like to use a pop dot there or dimensional. Just a little glue to make sure it stays in place. And this is what it looks like on the back. Now here I'm just demonstrating how it would go on whatever object you're going to be putting it on, your paper clip. And it turned out super cute. You can decorate it as you like. I just added a cute little bow. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Thank you.